an international freelancer looking to save on currency conversion fees? In this video, I'll show you how to use Wise to get your Upwork earnings at the real exchange rate. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Wise is a financial technology company that provides multi-currency accounts, making it ideal for receiving payments in USD and converting them to your local currency cheaply. First, you need to sign up for a Wise account and activate your USD account details. You'll receive a US routing number and account number, even if you live outside the US. Then, in your Upwork Get Paid settings, add a new direct to US bank payment method. Use the routing and account numbers provided by your Wise USD account. When you withdraw from Upwork, the funds will be sent as a local ACH transfer to your Wise account in USD. You can then convert them to your local currency within Wise at a much better rate than traditional banks. A crucial pro tip: when setting this up, ensure the name on your Wise account exactly matches the name on your Upwork profile to avoid any payment delays or rejections. This is a crucial security step. And just like that, you're maximizing your international earnings by minimizing costly bank fees. Using Wise is a smart financial move for global freelancers. How much have you saved on fees since using Wise or a similar service? Share your story in the comments. Now, let's talk about pricing your services. Watch our next video on how to set your hourly rate on Upwork. Thanks for watching.